Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today is a very special episode. Today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. This is a revolutionary product and it's one of its own. It's probably the king of folding phone. 6 GB storage and a 4500 battery. And the battery is actually 2 pieces inside this phone. The Galaxy Z2 Fold is supporting 5G and has 3 cameras on the back. The Galaxy Z Fold is available as a price for $2,000. So I am right now holding $2,000. So I'm gonna unbox it as it is, unbox it. But then we're gonna try different games on it to see how is this phone as a gamer. So let's go directly to it. I don't have one of those fancy unboxing setup as unboxing channels has. This is what you get. You have the table here, you have my product here, and you hear my voice. So if you have the product here, it has actually on the back it has nothing. On the side it says different small things. And here you can see it says Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5G. So very interesting. Let's see when we start opening this. I can see we need to cut this. So if I get my special knife, let's just slowly cut it in there. Thank you for that. Then I just have to find out how to do this. Oh, there was a sticker that we had to open first. There we go. So we have this one here that we can just put to the side. And I actually destroy some of the box here. That's pretty. So here we have it, as you can see. And it opens. Wow. It opens up. And the funny thing is, of course, what you see here on the screen, right? This one here is actually in it's in Danish. Actually, it's not in Danish. I bought this phone in Danish, but it's on Swedish and Norwegish. I guess Denmark is. Oh wait, they had one here for Denmark. So that's cool. I can't even read this on for you because there's no English version, so it wouldn't really make sense for me to read this off. Very interesting. So Scandinavia card. Okay, I like this. I think that's the first time I have a phone box where you can actually. It's very tempting. I like it. So as we delve into this, I'm removing the platform up here. We have this box here. It doesn't really, I'm not sure what it actually has inside. Let's try and check. Let's move the box here. Oh, very interesting. We can put that aside. We have a manual book here. It's a guide. We have a warranty card that tells about the warranties, the regional lock guide, and a brochure for saying something about Samsung Pay. Very interesting. And then we have a SIM unlock. So you can see like this little one here, a SIM key. I'm not quite sure what it actually calls. Then, my face is mirroring it. Then we have the one. It is the one. Oh my god, it is so much bigger than what I expected. It is. I mean, look at my hands. It's literally my hand. Okay, when I bought this one, I was not sure it would be this big. It's wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Fold 2. So it has some very important things that you have to kind of read up. So first of all, it says here that do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail. Doing so could result in production damage, such as scratches or dents. When folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as cards, coins, or keys placed in between the screens, as doing so may cause damage. The device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquid or small particles such as water, coffee, blah blah blah. It is recommended to you do not remove the screen protector film and do not install other film stickers. So basically they have installed already from day one a screen protector on the screen. Normally, you know, people, they put it on themselves, but they have actually placed it on the screen for you. Your device contains magnetics. Keep safe distance between your device and objects that may affect by magnetic, such as credit cards. So that means you are not allowed to place this in the same pocket as a credit card. But I think we should have to take a little look at it. You can see this is the phone here. It looks very, very interesting. It's like, it has a speaker up in the top here, so very interesting. It has, what does it have? A button here, volume up, volume down, speakers. I think the SIM card is going to go down here, speakers and a charging cable. So very interesting. Let's put the phone aside for a minute and see what else we have in the box here. Some Premier service. What does it say? Okay, so it's a 1 year Galaxy Z Premier service. So I think if the phone is, you know, if the phone is getting destroyed, it's like they are going to replace it. So it's a very premium, but it's only 1 year after that. So here we have a charger for it. It's USB-C. On, you know, how many watt it is, we can probably Google that. We have the cable. It's a USB-C. It's a USB-C. Pretty decent quality. I like that. It's a good cable. What else do we have? Oh, we have a headphone. Wait a minute. I think I saw some people, they actually reviewed this phone in the US, and they didn't get headphones. They got some Uber Eat and, you know, like other small cool things like a free meal and so on. But it looks like in the Scandinavia we actually get a headset. It's a AKG, so I don't know. It's actually the quality down here. It's not a normal cable. It's like, you know, like a nylon cable. It's like what you can say. It's like cloth. So that's pretty good quality. So I think that's everything in the box. It's cool that we get these AKG headphones. I like that. So I just have to place this back again. Yep. Away with the box. And here with the phone. So very interesting. Let's try to unwrap this. Whoosh. It's my first time holding a foldable phone. It has a pretty cool, it feels very good here. It has a great camera here. It has, so you can see here is the 6.2 screen, and here we have the 7.6 screen. So let's try and boot it up and see what happens. Boom, boom. That looks pretty cool. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. And it looks so freaking amazing. I mean, if you look at this is the new one. This is the Fold2. This is a Xperia 1 2 and 1 2. So we take it back here. You can see this is the screen difference. So the Sony is a bit taller because that one is like a really tall phone. But this is it's like double screen. And then we have the Sony and the Samsung. It looks, oh my god, just experience in this one. So if you put down away my old phone, just experience on this one here, it's unbelievable. It's like everything is so big on it. It actually reminds me of like it reminds me of a tablet, and it face recognizes me. It looks at my face and then it recognizes whatever I have on it, and we get this one here. It's it's so big. So should we try to do our first fold experience? Oh my god. That is so weird. It is so weird, and it just automatically goes on this screen here. Oh my god. It is such a weird experience. If we take this one here again, just put up the light. See, so you can see the screen is actually, I think actually they are almost the same tall, but of course it's much more thinner. It's so much thinner. So I could basically use this as my phone, and it actually, in my hand, it feels very comfortable, because you can see here, this is how it looks. It is a bit thick if you look at it at other phones, for example. It is a bit thick, but actually it fits really well in my hand. I have like giant hands, and it fits very well. If you look at the side of the phone, I'm sorry I don't have like a pro camera for doing this, but if you look like here, we can see there's like Samsung. This is the bezel of the side. We have all the charging, the microphone. We have a I can't even explain how this feels like, but it feels like it's matte. It feels really well. And by the way, this is the bronze. I totally forgot to say that. So yeah, we can basically use this screen. I can unlock it with my face, and boom, here we have it. We have a small phone, but if I open it, geez, it feels so good. I have seen so many reviews of this phone, and everyone says it feels so good, and I just have to say it feels really good, and it doesn't feel like I'm, you know, you can't fold it together with a misclick. It's really sustainable. Wow. I'm really impressed. This is such a cool thing. Let's see. When the screen, okay, I see. It works better with my camera when the screen is a bit dimmed down. Okay, very impressive. I must say it's probably one of the coolest unbox experiences ever with a phone. It's wow. Oh wait, it just flipped. The screen flipped. The screen is a bit longer here, so that means that when I do actually this, it's more like, whoops, close apps. It's actually get a bit longer here instead of the normal ratio. I like that. Okay, well, basically this is just a Samsung phone, so all the apps is the same as Samsung, so you probably know what it is inside. So I think we should try some games. Oh, by the way, before we go into games, we have these very smart things like where we can open up more apps on the same time. So for example, if I want to go on YouTube and I want to browse an internet at the same time, I can actually do that. So you can see right now I have YouTube on the left side, and I have the web browser on the right side. So for example, I can like use the browser on the left side and browse videos on the left side. So I can like watch a movie, and it of course has a Raid Shadow Legends ad. That's very perfect. It's just very cool. It's like I can even swap the screens around. Holy macaroni, that feels good. I mean, this screen is 120 Hertz screen, so it feels very, very, very well. I'm still sorry for not having like a very best camera for this. As you can see, it's very wide, because there's so much, you can say, response back from the screen. I definitely have to try get a better camera doing these unboxes. But normally, you know, I'm not unboxing like screens. It's more like hardware and so on. So as you can see here, we have Mobile Legends. It's a mobile game. It's basically League of Legends on mobile. It's not League of Legends itself. It's a game that has really, I think, getting inspired from them. You see, this the game is actually filling the full screen. It looks actually quite decent. I know you're not able to see all the details because of my webcam, but as you can see, don't worry. If you are planning to buy a Samsung Fold, you will be able to play games like Mobile Legends, for example. It looks pretty good and looks very smooth with this 120 Hz screen. I know you can't see it because of my webcam, but I can tell you it looks really, really, really good. So another cool thing you can do is, if you have, you probably heard about Game Pass. It's Xbox Cloud solution. Well, if you have Game Pass, depending on the PC version, the console version, or the cloud version, you can play plus 100, 200 games on your console, your Xbox, your PC, or even on your mobile. So at the moment right now on this Galaxy Z Fold, I'm playing Destiny. I'm freaking playing Destiny with a controller, and how amazing is this that I'm playing a shooter game? It's freaking Destiny 2, and the cool thing about Destiny 2 is it has save progress, so that means cross save. So no matter what I do on this one, I can do everything I have on this character here. I can use that also on my PC or on my Xbox, or even I'm not sure I played PlayStation, but PC and all that, they have the same character. So that basically means we can run around and have fun and play the game. It's not running very well on my internet because I only have a 10 up and 10 down. Yeah, I know it's really bad, but it's just so cool that you can play Xbox games on this one here. And the more cool thing is that you have the Game Pass app. If I'm just gonna, you can see now I'm leaving the game, but we can go out here and see what else can we actually play. Here you can see most popular. So all these games like, just look at this. You could probably not see that very detailed, but there's Ark, Batman, Gears 5, Dead of Daylight, Forza, Halo 5, Minecraft Dungeon, No Man's Sky. It just has so many games you can play, and it costs, I think I pay like 15 euros every month for having this. And even Sea of Thieves, I can boot up Sea of Thieves and play a power game on my phone without installing any single thing. It's just run on the cloud. It requires a pretty good you don't need to have like a super good internet, but my 10 up 10 down is maybe a bit too slow for it. So my 4G is actually running the game better, and that's pretty impressive. I'm probably going to end it here with the gaming, because I found out that it's actually not very efficient to record gameplay when you actually can't when you don't have a setup where you can like have a camera looking down on the mobile, so it's very limited. But again, this is the phone. I don't know what to say. It's so freaking cool. It's so really cool. I'm probably gonna, when I get a better setup for this, I'm probably gonna make some kind of a review of it or something like that, and let you guys know how it was, and maybe do a separate video about the gaming part, where I actually have a setup where I can show you how to game on this one. But yeah, let me try it out, and I will come back and give you a better review of it. So now I'm just gonna play with it and probably be up late and just have fun with it. So thanks for watching, everyone. That was the Samsung Galaxy Fold2, and wow, what a phone, what a phone. I'm speechless. It's a really cool phone. So thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know what you think about this phone, and I'm sorry for the bad quality of the camera, because I don't have a screen-to-screen camera, but I'll find out if I can get something like that. So thanks for watching. See you in another episode, and let me know what you think about the video. So see you in another episode. Bye.